Last week, we left Wonder Valley for Vegas, and big boy Samson got a makeover. This week, I'm starting vacation at the Red Rock Campground. Samson is thirsty when towing, so of course the first thing I gotta do is fill up. Then I drive back to camp and start the hitching up process. On this particular occasion, a guy pulled up right next to me with a horsey, and of course I got distracted and had to go say hi. Once I finally finished hitching up, it was time to hit the road. For as long as I've been RVing, almost everywhere I go, people commend me on how quickly and easily I back up my trailer by myself, but I do want to be honest and say it is not always that easy and I don't always get it on the first try. So you're probably wondering, if I already backed up the trailer, what on earth am I doing here? But if you are a seasoned RVer, you already know that I am trying to level this thing. So after leveling the RV from side to side using the wheels, I also have to unhitch the truck and level from front to back. I also remove my ball hitch just in case, but no other RVer I've ever met actually does that. Because I'm dry camping for a week, I took out my Lugabaloo. After setting up the solar, I then have to deal with this moving hurricane that passes through every time I move the trailer. The kitchen doesn't look very neat set up like that with a Berkey water filter in the jug, but that's the best setup to ensure I always have clean water to make food like this and, well, do the dishes after too. I have a pretty good off-grid laundry setup, and Samson makes a decent small generator at 400 watts max, so I was able to do my laundry even though I was carrying my water in by hand. Shadow, of course, never has to do anything. Honestly, I aspire to be this happily unemployed. So something you might notice with Shadow that's not usually there is his collar. I made sure I put that on once we hit the road, just in case he ever got out of the RV, because we are in unfamiliar territory. Right now I'm in Wyoming, and he did get out of the RV, and the tile is probably a big part of how I was able to find him and get him back in. Lucky for me, Shadow's not the only one who got some relaxation in. I was able to enjoy the view from my brand new installed roof rack on the FJ, and the sunset views from up there are just absolutely amazing. Red Rock is basically a part of the Summerlin suburbs of Vegas, so I left camp a few times to see some interesting sights. I also got some great shots right at camp. So next week, Tristan and Erickson come to visit me at camp, but they came right in the middle of a desert storm. So how exactly did that pan out? Well, I guess you'll have to find out next week Friday. Bye.